Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have a completely different backdrop compared to the last videos I've been filming in. So this setup is actually just a curtain covering my embarrassing wall of anime posters in my bedroom. So if you guys prefer this film setup instead of my other videos, then let me know in the comments below. I wasn't really satisfied with the lighting in those other videos, so I changed to my own room where the natural light is facing me directly instead of like at that angle. I don't know if you guys know this except me. Okay, let's just start the video. You guys wouldn't believe it, but like the craziest thing happened to me earlier today. So instead of me telling you guys what happened verbally, I'm just gonna show you guys what happened. So roll the footage. Hello? What is this? And that's the story of how I ended up with this Untamed makeup box set. Like, please don't question it, guys. This actually happened. This is a true story. I am not lying at all. So right here in my hands, I have the CIGA Beauty collaboration with the drama series The Untamed. And this collaboration was actually for the second anniversary of the drama series. So let me just show you guys how amazing the outer packaging is. It deserves like all the praises, just the holographic metal part. And this was just so beautiful. Also, you can see these cute bunny silhouettes on the corner, just so cute. Are they on clouds? Oh my god. So let me show the inside of the box for you guys. So when you open it, you're greeted with, well, here's like the paper. Let me just take this out. So, you know, just the paper covering. And then look at this, guys. This is so cute. It's pretty much like Wang Xian, but in bunny form. So here's Wei Wuxian and La Wangji. I'm not gonna say it. And the inside packaging also has a reflective finish. So look at it. It's like the two main characters. It's so cute, guys. Oh my god. And here's the actual makeup itself. So this is a loose setting powder, the two velvet lip tints, the liquid highlighter, and the liquid glitter eyeshadow. And besides the makeup, the set also came with these extra goodies. So this is just a postcard, and behind it is that iconic chicken scene. And this is just a photo card, the two main leads, with a cute little bunny. So I'll just be doing a quick review of each product in this set. First product I'll be talking about is this matte setting powder. And just look at the cute packaging, guys. It is beautiful. It's also got the two bunnies, which is, oh, so cute. So the powder comes in a puff, but I prefer to use like a big fluffy brush. But here's the inside. Here's a close-up of it, of the powder for you guys. And it actually has like a pinkish tone for like a brightening effect. I've actually worn this powder quite a good amount of times to tell you guys that it's pretty good at keeping my face not so oily throughout the day and also making my makeup last longer. I even used this powder when I was wearing a mask and I found that there wasn't that much transfer. Overall, I would say this is a good loose setting powder for mattifying your face and keeping your makeup lasting longer throughout the day. Next to my hands, I have the two Viva matte lip tints from the set, and as you can see from the packaging, it's the respective swords of the two main characters. And here's footage of me swatching each lip tint. So the lip tint based on
随便
is a really bright tomato red, as you guys can see here. And I usually don't wear that color on my face, so I'm not sure if I'll be wearing this a lot. And next we have the lip tint based on
碧晨
and I really like this color. It looks dark when I swatch it on my arm, but actually on my lips it turns into like a brighter pink. I actually like these lip tints because even though they have a velvet matte finish, they don't feel drying on my lips at all. And I also found that the lasting power of these lip tints are really good because I've eaten food with them, I've drank bubble with them, and the color does not budge at all. So overall, these are really good lip tints. The next item is another favorite in this collection, and that is the liquid highlighter. And as you can see, the artwork is based on the incense burner from the show. I don't really own that many liquid highlighters in my makeup collection, so let me tell you guys, I really love this highlighter. Here's how one swatch looks like, and as you guys can see, there's like a beige finish, but actually once you like blend it out, it gets really sheer. Look at that, it's so subtle. I love it. I'm gonna demo for you guys right here just to show you how good it is. So here I just do like a few dots. You know, you don't have to worry about like putting too much because it blends out so well. Just like this. Look at this, guys. Isn't it beautiful? So this is a highlighter that has like a natural and subtle finish. So if you really want like those really blinding highlighters, you probably might not like this, but I like that natural glow look, so I really love this highlighter. The final product of this makeup set is the liquid eyeshadow glitter, and the artwork here is based on Empress Smile, which is the drink from the show. Let me just do a swatch for you guys. So here's how the wand looks like, and in one swipe, it goes like this. Here's how it looks like on my camera, and as you can see, there's a lot of big chunky glitters with a transparent base. So if you want to do a really sparkly look in your eyes, this is really good for that. But one thing I found out about this formula is that it's pretty slow to dry, because depending on how much you put on your eyelids, it could take to over a minute just to completely set. So I'd be really careful when it comes to applying this. I'll do a live demo for you guys right now. Hope I don't mess up on camera. So I like to just carefully dab some on the middle of my eyelids. You don't want to put on too much at once, or else it could mess up the look you already have on. Like I said before, it's pretty slow to dry, so it's pretty wet. So I usually just wait like this to let it set. And this looks really dumb, I know. Here's the completed look with the glitter on, and I really like how much it makes my eyes pop out a lot more with the huge glitters. So that was my unboxing review of the CIGA and Untamed makeup set. Overall, I really love this collection because of the packaging, and you guys should know from now from my other videos that I just cannot resist beautiful packaging. I just appreciate the close attention to detail you can see in all the packaging with the iconic imagery from the show, like the bunnies, the Empress Smile, the swords, and the incense burner. On the plus side, none of the products actually failed in particular when it came to performance, because sometimes with these collaboration sets, they prioritize packaging and looks over actual makeup performance, so I'm really glad that this is not the case for this makeup set. So I was actually surprised to find out that you can still buy this makeup set through the official Taobao seller for around like $43, but it's yet to get it from China. As someone who lives in the United States, I've seen these listed for up to $100 on sites like eBay or AliExpress. So if you're lucky like me, you can find it for around $50 to $60. But obviously as time passes, I think it'll be harder for people overseas to get their hands on this makeup set. So if you're someone who really loves makeup and you're someone who loves Untamed as much as I do, I think that you should really get this set because it is such a nice collector's item to own in your collection, and I'm so glad that I was able to snag the last one off this website called alphabitty.net. That's all I have to say about this collection, so let me know in the comments below what you guys thought about this makeup set, and if you're watching this video as a huge fan of Untamed, I think you're obligated to click on the like button, so please do it for them. I really love reading the comments from you guys because as you can see, I'm always replying to everyone, even if they're kind of silly. I'm not gonna name names, okay? But there are some weird comments out there. You know who you are. So don't forget to leave a comment below, click on the like button, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!